up, family? How you guys doing today? I did here with Milky Tech, and are you guys having trouble with your videos being too shaky? Well, I got the solution for you. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and we got the combo version. I'm pretty excited about this product. It's product highly rated. Before we open this guy up, link will be below in the description. And if you guys enjoy this kind of content, smash that subscribe and hit that like. And let me know, what would you use this for? Let's unbox this. There's not much on this package, just some nice little pictures on here. Let's open this guy up. Take that out. Take this out. Alright. Let's open this guy here. We have a charge cable here, which is USB Type-C. That is great. A little wrist strap. Oh, that's so fancy. We have a tripod mount. We have here a little carrying case. Over here we have a little quick starter guide, a little warranty information, and your user manual. So we have a little tripod, so you can mount your gimbal, carry pouch, and now for where the gimbal is living in this nice carrying travel box. And here's a gimbal. Desk kit, do not eat. And over here there's some instructions on how to unlock the gimbal. First, just pull out. At the bottom of this gimbal, we have the mount where we could mount our tripod. Over here we have the joystick to control the positioning of the phone, your record button, your power button, and your mode button. We have our zoom slider on the side. Here is where you charge the phone. We have this USB type A port. This button here controls a multitude of different functions. If you press it once, it activates the active track 3.0, where it stays focused on the object, whether the object is moving or you are moving. If you press once and hold the button, it will recenter the gimbal. If you click it once and then hold it, it will keep the camera centered, which allows you to move the handle in any direction that needs to be moved. If you double click it, it recenters the camera. If you double click it and hold, it activates a sports mode. And in this mode, it allows the gimbal to run in high performance mode, which allows it to keep up with very fast moving objects. If you triple click the button, it will switch the camera from the back to the front or front to the back. If you press the M button, it activates the gesture mode. This allows you to use your hands to control the gimbal. If you have your palm up, it will focus and center on you. And if you have 2 fists up and if you move it in a V motion, it will switch between portrait and landscape. So there are several different modes on this gimbal. You have sport mode, which allows you to track fast-moving objects. You have a panorama mode where it has 2 different functions. You have 180 panorama, where it will just take 180 degrees picture, or a 3x3 where it will take a picture of one corner, center, and then another corner. And as mentioned earlier, the active track 3.0, where it will focus on a subject and then it tracks it, whether it's the object's moving or you're moving around that object. It has a pretty good battery life. They claim up to 15 hours, and it only takes 2.5 hours to charge this. And what's nice about this gimbal is if you have to charge your phone or another electronic device, you can, especially with the USB port being right there. You're charging your phone, and you could use this at the same time, so you can record for a lot longer. Setting this up is fairly easy. First, you have to charge it for a little bit, but let's see if this has any juice in it. It turns on. And now we have to pair it to the phone. So the first thing you want to do is download the DJI Mimo app and then open it up. And it will start initializing and ask you a whole bunch of stuff to agree. And then you just move on. Give it the permissions that you have to give. At this point, you want to turn on the gimbal itself. Now we tap the little camera icon on the upper left corner, and the phone will be looking for gimbal, and you will just hit connect when you find it. After you hit connect, just follow the prompts. At this point, if you haven't created a DJI account, it will prompt you to either log in or create an account. So telling you to install the phone. We'll talk about all the warranty extension options there is. After skipping, it will start activating the phone and the gimbal, and it will go through a tutorial on how to balance the phone on the gimbal, and it will go through an overview and a tutorial of all the buttons and their functionalities. And you give it more permission access, so to access the phone, camera, and microphone. and it's alive. Don't forget to update the firmware so you can have the most stable device. Let's test the active track feature of this gimbal. As you can see, it caught the car and kept with it. Alright, let's test one of the gesture features. As you can see, I put my palm up and it caught me. We're at Ronald Reagan Park, and as you can see, the weather is phenomenal. We got nothing but clouds and low clouds and no sunshine. As you can tell, I'm a little bit sarcastic right now. The southern me coming out. Otherwise, you know, I think that the footage seems to be smooth. What do you think, camera lady?
I think it's fine. There's a lot of cool stuff to learn on it, but I think we're doing good.
All right. But yeah, not much shaking, and you know, I can see the gimbal itself adjusting right, left, right, left, right, left. You know, trying to keep the phone stabilized. Overall, I think we're satisfied with it. What do you think, camera lady?
I think I like it. The highlight of our walk.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
This is a great device. It stabilizes my videos a lot nicer, so now we're going to have better content coming your way. This is going to help a lot with my wife's real estate. When we're doing house tours or, you know, taking pictures of a property to put them up. And if you guys need a realtor in the greater Metro Atlanta area, her contact information will be below. All links will be in the description below. If you guys enjoy this content, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. Leave a comment if you guys have a question, suggestion, or want to say hello. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.